Did you know you can buy investment property without using your personal income? Hi, I'm Michelle with the Confidence Group, and this is Roshel Corcoran with Stockton Mortgage. She is a mortgage lender and expert on investment real estate.
Thank you. I'm excited to be here with you.
Let's start simple. What is a DSCR loan?
So a DSCR loan is a debt service coverage ratio. So what we do as the lender, we're looking at, does the potential rent cover the mortgage payment, not your personal income.
Why are investors using DSCR loans instead of traditional financing?
So a lot of investors already own multiple properties, or they've written majority of their income off. This gives them the opportunity to still purchase investment properties, but really use the property as the income, and the asset is what we're underwriting versus looking at them in their tax returns.
So honestly, this is something that I've used myself. Rochelle helped me right through the process. It was very simple. I purchased a home for $185,000. My loan was $150,000. I put 20% down. My payments are $1,300. My rent is $1,600. More than qualifies for the loan, and it was a simple process.
So when we did your loan, I can't remember, did the seller help cover your closing costs?
The seller gave me a $10,000 credit to help with my closing costs. Yes.
Yeah, so one thing that's unique about these is you can actually get up to a 6% credit from the seller, whereas if you were to buy an investment property and do conventional financing, they can't pay more than 2%. And if you're a real estate agent, you can use your commission and get a seller credit towards purchasing the investment property.
And that worked well too.
Yes, it did.
So the main point of this is what I really liked about it was the simplicity. The property qualified based on its own performance.
Yeah, I think a lot of investors like that. It simplifies the process for them.
What makes a strong DSCR loan?
So, I mean, really, we're looking at what is the potential rent versus the mortgage payment. That's all that we care about. So if your mortgage payment is $2,000, we need the potential rent to be $2,000.
What are some misunderstandings about DSCR loans?
I think people think that you need nothing essentially to qualify, but you still need a down payment anywhere between 15 to 25%. The more you put down, the better off the interest rate is. You want decent credit somewhere in the mid 600s, and then really, again, we're just looking at what is that potential rent to make sure that it covers. But you don't have to provide your tax returns, income documents, things like that.
Are you seeing DSCR loans work in Central Florida?
We are. So these have become a lot more popular recently, especially with the changes in the market. Houses sitting on the market a little longer. We're seeing investors come out and starting to take advantage of that with some of the negotiations. The other thing that is really unique is you can buy these as a short-term rental. You do have to put 25% down, but for those that are looking at trying to get into like Airbnb or the VRBO models, this is a really great option to use for that type of financing or investing as well.
Is this a good option for flippers?
So no, because this is really meant to be a long-term hold. Flippers are more of a short-term. Now, if you find a house that needs renovations, you could buy it, rehab it, and then refinance it and put it into a DSCR loan.
Nice.
Yes. So then you're not paying for the repairs out of pocket.
Right.
Because you can include them in the hard money loan.
That's fantastic. You are an expert.
Yeah.
In mortgage and investments. If you thought about investing and want to see what will work with your budget, contact us and we'll walk you through the process.